One of my supporters saw the gnome that I turned for my fairy house. You remember the little guy that I made? And asked me if I could make a bigger one. I asked her how much bigger, and she told me 5 to 6 inches. So I'm going to try to turn one 5 or 6 inches tall. So come along with me over to the lathe and let's see how this goes. I'm going to use a piece of Hackberry, and I think it's going to turn out nice. First thing I want to do is get it round, then I'll measure and make marks, etc. Time to paint this little rascal up. She wants the bottom blue and she wants his hat red, so that's what we're gonna do. All right, I'll let that dry for a few minutes and then I'll put another coat on. And then I will come back and do the hat red. So I won't show the second coat. I'm gonna put the first one on just like I did this. Almost forgot to record this. That would have been bad. So I've got 3 coats of blue on the bottom. And now I'm painting the hat. Typically, when I'm painting wood, I paint with the grain. But the grain is this way because the limb grew like this. This is from a limb. And so the only way to paint with the grain would be to paint in circles, but then it would look kind of weird, I think. So when I get however many coats, that's going to take at least 1 more coat. When I get that done, I'll come back. But it's looking pretty good. What do you think? Deft lacquer is my normal finish of choice for most things. This is semi-gloss. That's what I'm going to hit him with. A couple of coats, maybe 3. And then I will put the beard on him and he'll be done. This is semi-gloss. For bowls and things I usually use gloss. Well, it's been a while since I've had a sticker board update, but I've got one. Claire Mason, making it out of the woods, sent me a sticker and a little magnetic fox seat. I'm going to put that over on my lathe. And she also was kind enough to send me some UK goodies, chocolates, and they were yummy, Claire, thanks. And she also was kind enough to make me a Spurtle, so thanks again. So I'll try to get yours in the mail. I'll put a link to Claire's channel right up here. Go check her out. She does some pretty cool stuff. Thanks, Claire. I have the finish on the gnome. You can tell the only thing left is he has no beard. I signed the bottom of it with my hieroglyphics, my chicken scratch. And I don't know how much of this beard material I want to use. For some reason, I mean, it comes on a strip this way, right? But it all runs at an angle. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the top off of here. And he's done. So there's your gnome, Jackie. Red hat, blue bottom, just like you wanted. I hope you like it. Thanks again for your support. And thanks for watching, everybody. I really appreciate it. Honest, I just really, really do. Finally got another turning out, and I'm going to be doing another turning here real quick. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Y'all check out my sponsors. They do me a great service, and I really appreciate that. My Amazon affiliate links in the description below. Anything you buy there, I get a few pennies. Doesn't cost you anymore. And it's all appreciated. It really is. Thanks again. Y'all come back. Remember, live, laugh, and love.